Guys, our lassi is ready.
এটাই মজা বৃন্দাবনে। Okay, hello everyone. We're going to Nidhivan today. Nidhivan, as you all know, is a very legendary place. There are a lot of myths associated with Nidhivan. It's said that Radhakrishna themselves descend every night to Nidhivan and perform Ras. So today we're going to that place. It's a very, what do you call it, like a hub for all pilgrims, and we hope to witness some of the magic there. So we're on our way and we'll keep you updated on our whereabouts. Hello everyone, we're heading towards Nidhivan ultimately. We have just visited Keshi Ghat. Now we're moving towards the legendary forest where it is said that even till date, Radha and Krishna descend every night to celebrate Ras, to perform Ras. So we're going towards it. Let's head. If I have to elaborate transcendental places of the Indian pilgrimage society, you can say, people know that there are trees that are thousands of years old. They represent the various, and they are the embodiments of the various gopis who used to come and dance along with Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna was a lover figure who, besides his immense spiritual and philosophical knowledge, was also someone who sang and who danced. So the artistic part of Krishna flourished in the forest of Nidhi. Today we can see that, we can hear actually a lot of bikes and other vehicles are passing through this, and it's like the sound might be a little disruptive, but at the same time, just look at the alley. Just look at how there's something here. You can understand there's something. Some august presence is like inherently present here. Nidhi, the Nidhivan. Let me elaborate a little bit about the mythology and the legend that is associated with this place. The legacy of Nidhivan actually states that the gopis who used to come here and dance with Sri Krishna took the forms of various trees that have been archaeologically determined to be thousands of years old. And those trees, it's believed, there's a huge discourse of this place that the forests come to life. The forest comes to life after 5 p.m. in the evening, and not a single living organism stays in a visible, tangible, realm. All of them hide elsewhere because nobody in this world is allowed to see the sacred dance of Shri Krishna along with the gopis of Radhika. There's a divine presence that is seen there, and there's also this belief that if anybody dares to visit that place after 5 p.m., that person doesn't return in an intact form. The person is either physically, visually, mentally, visibly, in many ways that person becomes challenged or doesn't return at all. So the legend of Sanatan speaks of darshan, where you see the deity and the deity sees you back, but you don't interrupt divine happenings in privacy where you're not allowed by universal code. So we are proceeding towards this forest. There are a lot of miracles that happen in this forest, and I don't think any visual media, any visual camera should be allowed to enter it and disturb the discourse, the divine discourse that is happening. I don't know about different media outlets, but we're not going to disturb this divine discourse, and we're going to let ourselves, refresh in this divine testament, in this divine augustness. So after a long while, I have got the grasp of this camera. I'm going to record the fact that we're going to enter Nidhivan. I have been just informed that we have got due permission to carry our cameras inside. I'm really excited about what is going to happen, because for me, I have been a Vaishnavite since my beginning. and I have believed that the discourse of Nidhivan is very pious and very sacred. So sacred that is not included in tangible assessment. So we have Siddhartha who has actually taken permission from authorities to allow us to enter Nidhivan with a camera. Radharaman Mandir, before entering Nidhivan, we're going to do darshan of Sri Radha and Krishna. So as you can see, we're entering the Radharaman Mandir. The ancients is very prominent here. Oh, and there are monkeys. And we have a camera. There are a lot of monkeys here, and so let's do pranam because they're ganging up, I guess. Because the speed. Oh my god. Okay, I mean, I wasn't afraid of the monkeys, it's just that they're here. Hi, monkey. You're so pure. And you're so good. Karon tomar pichon ekta asche, and it's like I think you should now move out of this place because they're going to take your phone and I can't do anything about it. We are at Nidhivan and I'm like really ecstatic right now. This place is divine beyond imagination. I don't think any kind of visual representation can depict how divine it is. All these trees used to be gopis. They are gopis actually, and they dance with the divine Lord, our Lord Shri Krishna here, and the ambience is so positive. Hello everyone, we are now entering Nidhivan. We have entered through gate number 2, remember this number. We are going to enter Nidhivan now and, excuse me. So we are going to enter Nidhivan now. And we're waiting for our friends as well. So I request all of you to come please. So please come along. Oh my god, people, we have just entered Nidhivan. This is the forest of dwelling of Sri Radha and Krishna. They perform dance every night in this evening. And there's, as I said, the augustness, the spirituality, the transcendental essence of this place is beyond imagination. And there are monkeys. So we're moving towards the center part of the forest, I guess, and show them the gopinis.
बंसी बजैया ने तान जो छेड़ी सुध बुध गवाह के राधा दौड़ी कंगन बोले छनक छनक पायलिया चमक चमक नैना बोले मटक मटक धक 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 धड़क 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 है सबका जिया राधा के संग में आज रास रचे कृष्ण का कान्हा के धुन पे आज झूम कैसे देखो राधा आई पूनम की प्यारी रात रास रचे कृष्ण का
ये सारे पेड़ 16,000 108 गोपी बन जाती हैं शाम को और गोपी बन के
की धुन पे आज झूम कैसे देखो राधा
right now in front of Lalita Kund. As is mentioned in legend and in the Puranas, Lalita Kund is a place where Lalita, who used to be one of the Sakhis of Lord Krishna, while performing Ras, she became really thirsty. And she didn't want to quit it because, Ras is something that you get after years of tapas and years of yearning. So once she got it, she didn't want to quite leave the place. So she was very thirsty as well. And Lord Krishna, with his divine grace, took his flute and with the edge of his flute, he dug it in the soil here, and this is the place from where the Lalita Kund was created. So the water here has been created from the flute of Lord Krishna, and this is a part of, as you can see, that it's surrounded by all the gopis, all the trees, and is a very prominent place of ascents. Right there is the place where we just visited, the place where Shri Krishna used to arrive. We couldn't use the camera there because it's not loud, but Lalita Kund happens to be in close proximity to the appearance place of Lord Krishna, which might be really significant if we look into it from a spiritual perspective. Okay, we just exited Nidhivan, and you can see there is a beautiful folk presentation here. Everybody is praising Sri Krishna. Actually, the kind of vibe here, an atheist will start believing in spirituality and the divine. So now we're out of Nidhivan and we're heading back. Out of Nidhivan, and as I said, the experience was very spiritually enhancing. Right now we're in a shop where there are a lot of tokens. Can we show them the tokens here? Very beautiful Gopalas.
You pay the money.
There are Kodis as well. I saw Kodis after a long period of time.
Guys, our lassi is ready.
এটাই মজা বৃন্দাবনে।
ये जो मंदिर है इसको 3 नामों से जानते हैं, निधिवन, मधुवन, वृंदावन गार्डन। यहाँ पर स्वामी हरिदास जी महाराज, जो संगीत सम्राट तानसेन बैजू बाबरा के गुरु जी थे, उन्होंने यह संगीत साधना की है 550 वर्ष। उसी से बांके बिहारी की मूर्ति यहाँ से प्रकट हुई है, जो मंदिर में स्थापना की है।
श्री हरिदास जी मतलब संगीत के बहुत बड़े, यहाँ पर संगीत साधना होती है
रोज होता है। अंदर चल नहीं रहा था, अंदर प्रोग्राम नहीं चल रहा था, अंदर संगीत नहीं चल रहा था, रोज होता है डेली।
अच्छा, तो ये मंदिर बंद कब होता है?
शाम को 8 बजे।
वहाँ पर क्या कोई बंद है? सुबह
कोई नहीं आता।
उनके आसपास जो घर हैं, जो आसपास घर हैं, वो लोग तो अपने फोन खोल के देख सकते हैं।
नहीं देखता है कोई नहीं देखता,
देखोगे तो क्या होगा?
देखेगा ही नहीं।
उल्टा तो है ये।
Answer.
होता क्या है वहाँ पर? मतलब क्या मानते हैं?
ऐसा कहते हैं राज करने आते हैं भगवान, ऐसा कहते हैं। हाँ, देखा किसी ने नहीं है, ऐसा कहते हैं। और पूजा सेवा जो भी ये सब जितनी भी चीजें सब भाग की होती हैं, देखा किसी ने नहीं है। भगवान को देखना है, माता पिता के चरणों की सेवा करो, भगवान की। हो गया?
ठीक है, थैंक यू। नहीं, आपका नाम नहीं।
लोकेश।
लोकेश जी मिलते हैं। हाँ? तो अभी हमने बात किया लोकेश जी से, जिन्होंने हमें एक्सप्लेन किया कि एक्चुअली निधि वन में जो श्री हरिदास जी थे उनका क्या कहानी है, और कि वो संगीत के बहुत बड़े सम्राट थे, और उनके 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 शिक्षा के, उनके दीक्षा से तानसेन जी और हमने बाइजू बावरा को भी पाया है भारतवर्ष में। फिर हम लोगों ने बात किया निधि वन में जो फिनोमेनॉन होता है शाम के 6 बजे के बाद, उसको लेकर लोकल लोगों का क्या टेक है। तो ये हमने जाना कि डिस्पर्शन ऑफ बिलीफ बहुत ज़रूरी है, जहाँ पर आपका जिज्ञासा एक पॉइंट पे आके उसको विश्वास उसको अधिग्रहण करे, तभी शायद आप ईश्वर को आप प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं आसपास वो बहुत कॉन्शियस है उस चीज़ के बारे में, और जिन लोगों से हमने बात किया, एवरीबडी रीजनेटेड द फैक्ट दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट टुवर्ड्स द फिनोमेनॉन दैट हैपेंस इन दिस प्लेस। आफ्टर के बाद जो फिनोमेनॉन होता है उसके लिए सबका एक म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट। So we are now moving away from Nidhi One and we'll be catching up with you soon. Yeah. राधे राधे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। बोलो बोलो बोलो। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम